is Lori Gill. I'm here to talk to you today a little bit about green flags and healthy relationships. We know that our brain often gravitates towards what is familiar unless we train it to do otherwise. Sometimes when our relationships that we've experienced have been unhealthy or conflict-ridden, it can seem like we're going from one unhealthy relationship to another. Having a sense of what we do want in a healthy relationship is an important first step, bringing us closer to attaining this. Knowing and being consciously mindful of the qualities, characteristics, behaviors, and actions that define healthy relationships can help us evaluate our relationships and our interactions with people in a way that allows us to reflect on whether this relationship is helpful or hurtful, whether it's serving us, whether it's moving us forward or keeping us stuck, whether it feels good or whether it's just familiar based on what we know of how people engage in relating to one another. It can be really helpful to be mindful of green flags or indicators of a healthy relationship. The image here provides some samples, but I would encourage you to create your own list. Take some time to take stock of what you think the qualities and characteristics of a healthy relationship are. This can be based on real life examples, people that you know, characters from books, TV shows, or imaginal. It doesn't require that you've experienced this, but rather that you can identify these qualities and characteristics. When you have a good sense of these, I often encourage people to start with a list first, and when that list feels solid, then you can use bilateral stimulation to tap this in and really help yourself embody this. I find that this is incredibly helpful from an integrative perspective, helping our cognitive and thinking brain to receive this, but also to help our body to embody these characteristics. One of the techniques that I like to use is Dr. Laura Parnell's model of tapping it in. And this is considered to be resource installation. And all we would do is bilaterally tap right, left, right, left, right, left. So while focusing on those qualities and characteristics and traits, allowing ourselves to kind of deepen that experience and that connection, we would then tap that in, right? And you don't have to tap up here. It's just easier for me to demonstrate it. You can tap on your legs. You can tap your feet right, left, right, left. You can tap on the table even. It's the integration, though, of that movement and thought that really seems to deepen that experience for us. I hope this may be helpful for you, and I wish you a gentle rest of your day.